My bird got angry and refuses to eat because I starved her.
So my bird have been giving me issues since, and I've been punishing her, and I have not given her food since morning. So I want to go give her food now and see what she's going to do, because that bird is so stubborn. Now, Cynthia, how far? Relax now. Cynthia, you dey vex? Don't vex. I don't know why you are running away. Oh. That thing fetch me. Oh. Take now. Where are you going to? Is it guy that you're doing? You, Cynthia, Cynthia. Jesus Christ, what type of bed? Cynthia. So I've not cleaned this thing today. Cynthia. You see you this bed. Come and take. My baby. I take. I take. My baby. Cynthia baby. Cynthia baby. Cynthia. Take. I will not punish you again. Take now. I no come here come pet you. I take. I take now. My baby.